Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then in this area right here with these circles, you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Though it might not be expanding it all the way, we have a couple pages, and by swiping to the left we can go to the second page where you will find your Do Not Disturb toggle. So for me it is right over here. Once you see it and you're doing this the first time, I recommend holding it because this will quickly take you to the settings. In here you can go over these settings, customize them to fit your needs. We don't have too many options right here, so we have the toggle on and off option. We have the schedule with one schedule already made called sleeping that starts every day at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. And now you can obviously change this if you want to. There we go. So you can change this if you want to. You can add new ones if you also want to. And if you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure it is toggled on in here like this one is right now. And that's all you will need to do. The device will then be turning it on and off for you at the specified day of the week and time. Now, going back to the Do Not Disturb setting page, we have also contacts. Here you can select who can call you or message you, and also what apps will be able to bypass the mode. And below that we have option associated with the callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to bypass whatever you have selected under the calls section for the contacts. And then we have just the silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Now, once you have set it all up, you can close this, find the toggle once again, and this is for people that want to use it manually. So find the toggle and simply tap on it. It gives you this pop-up with the Don't Remind Me Again option already checked by default. So once you select Turn On, this pop-up will not show up ever again. It will just automatically turn on your Do Not Disturb mode when you tap on the toggle itself. Now, on OnePluses, there is no option to select it on a timer, which other devices do have. So this will mean that you will need to remember about your mode being enabled, and once you're done using it, again pull down your notifications, find the toggle and tap on it once more to turn it off. Otherwise this mode will run indefinitely. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.